Morning guys, it is March 1st, 2018. This one here, I'm going back to that job where I ran that vent up through the roof. I gotta go back and do that water pipe. I would've did the water pipe when I was there the other day, but I didn't have time, and I had to run out and get some fittings. I was kind of low on half-inch fittings and stuff, so I'm gonna go over there and clean up that water pipe, drill a couple of new holes through the floor, and I'm gonna come up through the floor with it instead of in the wall. It's just sometimes I like to put them in the wall. Depends on the situation, but I'm gonna put them up, drill them up through the floor, and just cap them for now, so he can patch the wall and put his cabinets down, and I go back and do the finish. But I'll try to get you some shots down there. It's on a little dark and dingy, but try to put a little video together for you. She's a leaker, mama. She's a leaker. The dog is working again, y'all. Are you working again? Water off and we'll drain it. We'll drain it upstairs. And a couple of shock bites here. We'll pop them right off, and I'm going to tie in that outside silcock. I'll probably put a ball valve right there, and we'll give it the old tie-a-roo. Tie it in. Alright guys, I got that marked here when I'm going to be drilling. Put a hole here for the hot. Now the faucet's going to be on this side. So I'm going to put the hot there and the cold there. This is the center line right here. So I'm going to come up here 45 over. I'm going to put my water pipe right here. One there and one here. This will be the cold, that'll be the hot. The cabinet comes all the way over to here. He said the faucet's over to the side on this sink, so that's why I'm roughing it in that way. Just gonna stick these up and we'll cap them. That hole there's between, you know, so it's gonna miss the, be able to use that plug. Here we go. We'll go downstairs and we'll pop these lines up, these copper. Put this copper up through and we'll solder it down below. Let me see the shock bite. Now you take them off as you push them in. You got a shoulder, you got to push that shoulder off. Just an O-ring in there, basically, is what it is. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a street 90 with a PEX adapter and PEX it right up. Let it drain. I'm not too worried about down here. There's a little bit of water down here, ain't going to hurt nothing. Drain that out. Give it the old gun there, mama. Give it the old gun there. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna whip up PEX. We'll put some Mickey Mouse clips where it goes up so it comes up straight. Alright guys, I'm gonna use PEX, so I'm gonna see if I can solder this up. That's that lead-free stuff. It's not the greatest to solder. Not the greatest to solder. seems like I keep getting water to this one. I'll be able to steam it out. Off the side of it. He's a chicken. Piece of wood and jack it up somehow. Maybe I can solder it now like that. Cool, and then we'll put the pecs to it. We'll let it cool, and then we'll whip the pecs to it and clamp it. Give it the old Jed clamp it. And we'll give it the old Jed clamp it. And that's an outside faucet there. And I got one for the outside faucet and one for the kitchen. And we'll just pecs it up. Or I go up through the floor, put some Mickey Mouse clips, and try to bring the pieces up straight. See if I get you a shot of what there's a little crimpers right here. Just open them up. Let's crimp it down. There's different ways of doing it, but that's one way. Alright, so I put a ball valve there, and we put a piece of, let's put a T over here. So I got one whipping up for the kitchen cold, one for the kitchen hot. I'll go upstairs and I'll put some Mickey Mouse clips on there and see if I can get them to come up straight. After we tie all the faucet and everything, will be secure. Alright, so I just put a couple of caps on there, plugs. And once he drills the holes for the cabinets, you know, when it comes up to 2 holes, it'll be nice and straight. Then when I put my my shutoffs on there, and I whip it down straight, it'll be straight. This stuff will straighten out. It's a little bent because it's been on the roll, you know, been on a round roll. But this comes right off. This is not glued in, but it'll be all right like that. That's the easiest way to do it. That's the easiest way, you know. It would have took me a lot more soldering it all with hot copper. It would have been a lot more work. So all I gotta do is just pipe dope this, and it'll be done until the finish. No leaks. Alright, put pipe dope on there, and she's She's tight, no leaks, so that's good. Like I said, I could have did it in copper, but this was easier. You can see the stuff comes in a roll, so that's why it's not straight upstairs, but when I'm all done, it'll be straight. Navion. Alright guys, once everything's tied in, they'll be nice and plumb, so I'm not too worried about it. He can do is he's worried about sheetrocking the wall. We'll be fine. Just want to get the air out of get all the air out of the lines. Oh, yeah, doing the dance? Are you doing the dance? Oh, yeah. You missed me. Oh, I knew it. All right, push over. Come on. Push over. What is it? Pretty nice out today. I mean, it's beautiful out. You missed me? Oh, I know it. I know you did. You missed me. She's a licker. She's a licker. She's a licker, mama. She's a licker. Oh, yeah, she loves licking. You're one licking machine.